Thank you, GWL. I believe that the international system is fragmented because trust has been weakened. And without trust, multilateralism cannot deliver. If selected Secretary General, I would champion three concrete changes. First, I would work to bring the United Nations back to its member states. Reform must be owned by countries, large and small, north and south. The UN must listen more and act with more inclusiveness. As Secretary General, I will be a bridge builder, someone able to speak to everyone, listen to everyone, bring positions closer, and maintain dialogue even in times of high tension. Second, I would make the UN more effective on the ground. Mandate must be rationalized and clear, resources better used, and results better measured. Third, while taking care of human rights, I would also make development a central pillar of peace. We cannot fight terrorism, instability, or migration only with security responses. We must win the battle of development by promoting jobs for youth, women, investment, infrastructure, climate justice, and fair access to finance. The Secretary General has no army and no police. His true strength is credibility, impartiality, and moral authority. I'm not running for a career. I'm running for impact, to rebuild trust, restore dialogue, and help make the United Nations a stronger tool of collective action. I thank you.